So good morning to you. So I hope all of you are fine and enjoying your study. Okay. So आप देख रहे होंगे मेरे पीछे कि सब ने आज क्या रंगोली उंगोली बनाई है और अलग अलग नाम लिखे हैं ना. So yesterday's topic we are familiar with what herbs, shrubs and trees. Okay. Why we are called as the herbs, shrubs and tree. Okay. So today we are discussing about what parts of plants. Okay, and parts of plant. So you compare with the parts of plants and you. Okay, जैसे we are taking oxygen with our nostrils, our nose. Okay, we are taking food and digest their foods. Okay, means अब देखो कि सिमिलरली प्लांट्स के भी जो अलग अलग जो ये है ना, अवर हैंड इज कमिंग आउट दैट. ओके, इसके बाद में एक जो लेसन है उसमें पढ़ेंगे अपन बॉडी मूवमेंट में. ओके, सो प्लांट्स किस तरीके से ग्राउंड के ऊपर में इरेक्ट होता है ना, स्टैंड होता है. उसके अंदर में क्या होता है, ग्राउंड के अंदर में और कितना पार्ट होता है. सो ये सब चीजों के बारे में क्या करेंगे अपन, डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. ठीक है. सो जैसे आपने किसी प्लांट को अगर आपने वी आर पुल आउट एनी प्लांट. ओके, सो यू ऑब्जर्विंग दैट दीज प्लांट्स हैव टेकिंग मोर एनर्जी टू अपरूटिंग दैट. ओके, है ना, उसको खींचने के लिए क्या लगता है अपने को, बहुत ज्यादा ताकत लगती है. सो व्हाई, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इज द रूट सिस्टम. ओके, अब देखो दिस इज व्हाट ग्राउंड दिख रहा है सभी को, दिस इज व्हाट ग्राउंड. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट ग्राउंड. ओके, सो below that ground there is the numbers of roots. Okay, and these roots are spreading and they are gripping. Okay, वो एक तरीके से क्या करते हैं, उसको टाई अप करके रखते हैं, है ना, इस कंप्लीट पेड़ को. सो यू ऑब्जर्विंग दैट बहुत ज्यादा तेज आंधी या तूफान आती है ना, हवा आती है, तब भी वो पेड़ क्या होते हैं कि दे आर स्टैंडिंग. बट जिस पेड़ की those plants are trees having roots very weak, so they will get shorted. Okay, है ना, they will get fall down, है ना, वो क्या हो जाते कि fall down हो जाते हैं. ठीक है. So this is what जो ground portion में जो portion है, okay, the parts of plant which are under the ground, it is known as root, and this complete known as root system. Okay, so this is known as root system. Okay, so above the ground this complete part is known as shoot system. Okay, shoot system. देखो, see here, जो भी ग्राउंड के नीचे में जो बिलो पार्ट है, it is known as what, root system, and above the ground it's known as what, shoot system. And shoot system consists of one by one देखेंगे अपन. Okay, so again we are observing that जो भी प्लांट्स होते हैं जो रूट आउट नहीं हो जाते हैं ना, बाहर नहीं निकल पाते, दे आर ग्रिपिंग देयर रूट्स कंप्लीटली, होल्ड देयर कंप्लीट प्लांट्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस इज द रूट. ओके, देयर आर नंबर ऑफ टाइप्स ऑफ रूट सिस्टम, एडवेंटिशियस एंड मोर. ओके, so we are observing that so the underground part is creamy sharp pale in color, it is a root of the plant. Okay, so this is what underground plant system, and it is known as what, root system. Okay, so it fixes the plant in soil. Okay, अब इसका काम क्या है root system का, it fixes the plant in soil. Okay, soil, the root has a main root going deep in the soil. Okay, अब ये जो root है ये क्या होते हैं, mainly deep. Okay, ने बहुत they are penetrating under. Okay, and they tie up. Okay, so the root has main root going deep in the soil, and from it many small side branches arises. Okay, so आपने कभी plants को खोद के देखा होगा, we are digging out that and we are observing that this is what fibrous root system, adventitious root system and so on. Okay, so these are number of branches there. Okay, so arises, they provide extra anchorage to the plant in the soil. That's why you cannot easily pull out, okay? वो क्या करते हैं, एंकर यानी क्या करते हैं, उसको इस तरीके से उससे बांध के रखते हैं, okay? They root system give the support to plants and they are tired, okay? So next, the part of the plant above the soil is generally green, okay? अब देखो, so this is part, okay, this part of the plant, है ना, जब छोटे छोटे जब होते हैं in the nursery, these are green in color, okay? Completely क्या होता है, green in color होता है, okay? And this part is known as what, stem, okay? And this is what, green in color. The part of the plant above the soil is generally green and it is erect and is called as the stem, okay? And this part is known as what, stem, okay? This part is known as what, stem. So next है, next there is the sum of the leaves, okay? है ना, leaves क्या निकलते हैं ना, the plants having the numbers of leaves and functions of leaves, इसके बाद में देखेंगे अपन, okay? So leaves, the stem bears the leaves at an interval and each leaf arises at a particular point on each stem. This point on the stem where a leaf arises is a node, okay? अब देखो, अभी लीव्स जो है ये क्या नाम होती है कि यहाँ से अराइजेस हो रही है, ठीक है? लीव्स आर अराइजेस देयर, ओके? एंड दिस लीव्स एंड दिस प्लेस इज नोन एज व्हाट, नोड, ओके? नोड से क्या होती है कि लीव्स निकलती हैं, ठीक है? सो एंड द पार्ट ऑफ द स्टेम इन बिटवीन द टू सक्सेसिव नोड्स, ओके? अब देखो, ये एक नोड हो गया आपका, एंड अनदर नोड हियर, ओके? हियर इज फ्रॉम द अनदर leaves is, okay? So this is the distance, okay? This is the distance and it is known as what, internode, okay? दो nodes के बीच का जो ये है space है and that space is known as what, internode, okay? So this is known as what, internode. So next is we taken about root, stem, node, internode and leaves, okay? So now fruits and flower, okay? So after the maturation of the plants, okay, they will appear in the flower on the some special season, okay, before bearing the fruits, okay? And after that flowers will get matured, okay? जैसे आपने देखा होगा in the what, mango season, okay, in the month of January, okay? So mango will get what, flowered, okay? And this flower will turn to food, okay, gradually. And in the month of April, May, June, we are enjoying the mangoes, okay? So likewise these are appearing in that, okay? So this is about what, root system and shoot system, okay? So root system and shoot system. The root system consists of the roots, while the shoot system consists of the what? अब देखो, the root system consists of only the root here, okay? But shoot systems consist of what? Stem, node, leaves, internode, fruit and flower, okay? So these are under the what? Shoot system, okay? The shoot system also bears the flower and seeds. So after that, these fruits will completely mature and reap out. So after that, in that fruit, there is consist of again what, seeds. Okay? ना जैसे आम में क्या होती है, गुठली होती है, नीम में भी उसकी जो ये होते हैं ना, seeds होते हैं. Pomegranates they having the seeds, oranges they having the seeds. Okay? So and flower, seeds and fruits which comprises the reproductive part, okay? So what here, so this is the flower, this is flower which consists of what, reproductive part, okay? जैसे एक मेल पार्ट होता है, एक फीमेल पार्ट होता है इसमें, है ना, एंथर एंड स्टैमेन, ओके? सो इसके बाद में देखेंगे अपन, ओके? सो दिस इज अबाउट व्हाट, पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट्स, ओके? सो नेक्स्ट है अब रूट सिस्टम, है ना? अब रूट सिस्टम में देखेंगे द पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट बॉडी विच इज फिक्स टू द सॉइल इज कॉल्ड एज द रूट सिस्टम. ओके, है ना. रूट सिस्टम क्या है? द पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट विच फिक्सेस टू द सॉइल इज कॉल्ड एज द रूट सिस्टम. ओके, रूट सिस्टम. एंड root system in certain plants like mustard, okay, mustard, tea, balsam, tulsi, marigold, rose, and these consist of the what? Taproot system. Okay, taproot system. अब इसकी जो roots होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? Taproots means that जैसे this is what plant and these roots are like that, है ना. So just simply, okay, you also observing the root of the maize. Okay, भुट्टे की आप अगर root देखेंगे, so this is also what that. So this is known as what? Taproot system. Okay, so the neem and the root system consists of the main root called as the taproot system. Okay, this is known as what? Taproot system. Next, the taproot grows vertically down into the soil and then gives out the smaller branches. Okay, अभी taproot में क्या होती है कि vertically downward होते हैं, ठीक है, and they giving out the branches inside the earth. Okay, so these smaller branches are called as the lateral root. Okay, अब देखो this is what taproot system में क्या होगा. So what happened in the taproot system? Suppose this is what stem, okay, and this is going down. Okay, it's a main. Okay, and this is again what? Numbers of branches, and this is known as what? Lateral root system. Lateral root system, and this is what known as taproot system. Taproot system. Okay, so these are about what? Roots. Okay, and in some plants like wheat, maize, sugarcane and bananas, there is no main root. Okay, अब इसमें क्या होती है कि कोई main root नहीं होती. Okay, so you know that in the what, जैसे भुट्टे का पेड़ है ना, so you observing that here is इस तरीके से क्या होता है, in this way these roots. Okay, so and again what? Wheat, है ना, maize and bananas and so on. A number of roots arises in cluster below the stem. Okay, अब जो stem है यहाँ पे क्या होता है? complete cluster होता है. Okay, this is the cluster and cluster of spread out in the soil. Such a roots are called as the fibrous root system. Okay, and such a roots is known as what? Fibrous root system. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Fibrous root system. Okay, so this is known as what? Fibrous root system. Okay, so now we are taking about what? Functions. So what are the functions of the roots? Okay, so you assuming that, or you think about that, what is the root functions of the root? Because plants or tree require water, nutrients, food. Okay, so all the things will suck. Okay, and they are taking from the grounds or earth with the help of the roots. Okay, the root picks the plant. और उसके बाद में क्या करते हैं? जो root जो है ना, so they are, I earlier told you कि बड़े-बड़े पेड़ जो होते हैं, है ना, जब भी storm आती है या winds आती है, तो they are not fallen down because they will giving the support to plant. Okay, support to plant. So roots fix the plant. Okay, and next, roots absorb the water and minerals which are from the soil. Okay, and which are then conditions support the stem and leaves. Okay, next है roots help in holding the soil. अब roots क्या करते हैं कि soil को hold करके रखते हैं. Okay, so what will happen in the absence of the roots is root, जो भी soil जो है वो क्या होगी कि जो waterfall होगा, so उससे क्या होगा कि वो completely eroded होते जाएंगे. Okay, so the plants also providing the holding to soil. Okay, the roots help in holding the soil together, thus preventing erosion, and that process is known as what? Erosion. यानी वो मिट्टी जो है वो बहके नहीं जाती उसके साथ में. Erosion or blowing away of the soil particle. Okay, और वो soil particles को भी बहके नहीं जाने देती. Okay, so these are the functions. What is the functions of the roots? It will give supports. Number one, it will give foods and water. Okay, and number third, it give support to soil. Okay, so this is about what? Parts of plants. Okay, so we will taking further parts in the next classes. Okay, so have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.